Okay, so when's the last time you've been to a place like this? Guess what? There is so much that a local library has to offer. This particular library, we're in Florida this week. This is at Niceville. Now we're gonna go inside. We gotta be really quiet because people are studying and stuff. You know, library, you gotta be really quiet. Alright, I'm gonna show you all around. We gotta be really quiet. See, they got volunteer opportunities, information, a bookstore. Xerox machine. Bathrooms. Youth services. Look at this. All for kids. Easy. Juvenile. Isn't that nice? Look at these cubicles. You have computers. You can bring your own computer, your own printer. Look, art for sale. Lots of chairs. This is the teen space. For kids to hang out. Look at this. Look at all the cool computers. Isn't that neat? Gaming magazines. Look at that. Set up nice. It's so fresh and clean in here. Air conditioning is great. You can get a Wii if you're local to your library. Bring in your ID and proof of residence, and you can borrow these things for free from the library. Wii games. Do you believe that? Look. And this is the rock collections. People do these and they leave them in odd places, and then you're supposed to collect them and replace them to see how far they travel, photograph them, put them on Facebook. And they have miles of books. Look at all these tables. Encyclopedias, look. Tons of computers. Miles of books. Look at this. And then they got these desks back here that have electric. See? So you can bring your own computer and your printer and stuff. And then they have like they have this wireless network password. Free Wi-Fi, the strongest Wi-Fi you will ever use. Look at this place. Look. They got, look at this. CDs. Do you believe this? CDs. For free at your local library. For free. Miles of them. Look. Look. All this. All this. That you borrow for free at the library. Look. DVD and Blu-ray. Look. All that. All that. Can you believe that? Amazing. What is this? 7 CDs in 9 hours. Gee whiz. Hey, look at this cool fish tank. Look at this. Look. Oh. Oh. How pretty. And I like that blue one. Look how big they are. Hello. Hi, dear. There's a little guy here in the corner. There he is. Look. See? Yeah. But this place is really neat. Look, here's another sitting place on the other side of the fish tank. It's a see-through fish tank. And that's what's up. Some art. It looks like copper. Views outside. Nice sitting place, eh? Time zones. All different time zones. Pretty neat, eh? Look, here's a printer place too. Now, if you need to print a bunch of stuff, look, they got TV. You could sit in the library and watch TV for free with the news and stuff. Just don't change channels. You believe that? So if you haven't been to the library in a while, they sure have changed. They have a conference room in the back. That's all, conference room. Look, here's a place for printer stuff. So now if you're printing something, all you gotta do is send it to the counter and they'll charge you 10 cents for black and white copies and 25 cents for color. So if you're on the road doing work, go to your public library. That's the best deal. Instead of going to the printers, you can do it right there. It is so neat. So, next time you have time, take a spin to your next local library, like there.